Now Foods, real food, organic raw cacao powder, 12 ounces, 340 grams. You can buy now this product at the best price, with worldwide delivery, by clicking the link in the description. Product Overview Description. Always non-GMO real food, sun-dried, not roasted, naturally occurring polyphenol and flavanols, intensely rich flavor, USDA organic, non-GMO, project verified, fresh, wholesome and tasty, certified organic by Kiwi, vegetarian vegan product. With Now Real Food Organic Raw Cacao Powder, you can enjoy the intensely rich flavor and nutritional benefits of dark chocolate without added sugar and unhealthy ingredients. Cacao powder is ideal for wholesome, natural recipes, and it's a great addition to a variety of desserts and beverages, including hot chocolate and ice cream. Raw cacao has naturally occurring polyphenols and flavonols, making it a true superfood. Our organic cacao powder is sourced from Peru, where the raw cacao beans are slowly fermented to bring out their rich flavor and then sun-dried, instead of roasted, to retain all of their valuable nutrients. Our cacao is harvested under a fair trade program that promotes environmental sustainability and fosters strong ties within the local farming community. Because you are what you eat, Now Real Food has been committed to providing delicious, healthy, natural foods since 1968. We're independent, family-owned, and proud of it. Keep it natural. Keep it real. Other ingredients. Organic cacao powder. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.